Hi there, this is Xavi from Spotahome, Barcelona, and today we are in the downtown, just in the street Montserrat, just near La Ramblas, and here we have an apartment for about 60 meters with a living room, very bright, as you can see. I have the sun in the face, and well, it has 2 rooms, okay, it's perfect for 2 people, and well, that's it. This is the D door, okay, the second floor, door D, and this is the entrance. Okay, this is the entrance. Here we have the entrance, okay, the phone. Here we have some space for your kitchen stuff and everything. Here we have the electric heater for the water. Okay, and here on the left you have the first, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, the first bathroom and the second bathroom, okay, the smaller and the big one. Here we have the first room, okay, and there we have the living room, the kitchen, and the second room. Okay, so let's start with the first room with double bed and place for the light. Okay. Okay, so here we have the light and drawer. Okay, and here we have the closet. Okay, here we have it. And each room has the air conditioner and the heater, okay. And here we have the first bath. Here we have it. Okay, toilet. Okay, and so here we have the inside patio. Okay. Okay, and let's go to see the other bathroom. Have it here. Okay. Toilet here. Okay, here some space, 2 drawers. Okay, oops, window. And here you have a shower. Okay. Here we have it. And here we have window to the same patio. Okay. Okay. And well, that's it. Here we have the living room. Okay, here we have the place for the TV. Here we have sofas, some pictures, and here to put the air conditioner or the heater. Okay. Perfect. And well, here we have the light. As you can see, there's light there also. And well, here we have table. Okay, keys. And here we have the kitchen. Okay, on the right here we have kitchen with a ceramic. Okay. Right here with the bell. Here we have the oven. Okay, and here some drawers. Here we have the dishwasher. Okay. Okay, here you can change it. And here place for the bed. Okay, sink. Okay. Well, these are the views. This is really bright, really sunny. And here we have microwave. Okay. Here we have coffee machine, toaster, okay, everything. Here more space here for dishes, glasses, everything. What we have here? Here we have the washing machine. Okay. Here, drawers for cutlery. Okay, more place for kitchen stuff and everything, and more space. And finally, here we have the fridge. Okay, make sure to close it properly. Yeah, and here the fridge. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's see the second bedroom. We have it here. Okay, also double bed with 2 lights and 2 chest of drawers. Here we have the closet. Okay, here we have it. The same as the other one, from one. And here on the left we have like our part of the bedroom with table and 2 chairs. There's also mirrors here. Okay, and same window to the same views. Okay. So this is bedroom 2. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like this apartment in the downtown, and well, see you soon. Bye.